What would you do if the company you built was on the edge of collapse? Would you give up or fight like your entire future depends on it? This is the story of Howard Schultz, the man who took a tiny coffee shop in Seattle and turned it into a global empire. But few people know that at one point, Starbucks almost failed. In this basic application of the financial, the Starbucks you know today, on every corner, in every city, almost never happened. Back in the 1980s, Starbucks was just a small chain in Seattle selling roasted coffee beans. Howard was hired as a marketing manager. On a trip to Italy, he discovered espresso bars everywhere. People gathering, laughing, drinking rich coffee. Howard had a bold vision. Transform Starbucks into a place where people come to experience community, not just buy beans. But the company's owners weren't interested, so Howard quit, started his own company, and chased investors. He faced 242 rejections before someone finally believed in him. Then, against all odds, he raised enough to buy Starbucks in 1987. The company exploded, stores everywhere, lines out the door. But success came too fast. Expansion went out of control. Quality slipped. The company lost its soul. By 2007, Starbucks was in trouble. Profits fell. Customer complaints soared. Howard Schultz, who had stepped back as CEO, knew what had to be done. He returned and closed 7,100 stores for a day, just to retrain every barista in making coffee the right way. It cost $6 million in one day. People thought he was crazy. But Schultz didn't care. He was rebuilding Starbucks' soul. Within a year, Starbucks was thriving again because Howard believed in the company's core, bringing people together over great coffee. Today, Starbucks is one of the most successful brands in the world, with over 35,000 stores. But its real success was born in its darkest hour, when Howard Schultz refused to give up. So the next time you feel like the odds are stacked against you, remember this story. Passion, persistence, and an unshakable vision can rebuild anything, even an empire. If this story inspired you, comment your thoughts and subscribe for more powerful stories of resilience and success. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.